Subscribe to HMTMCSE and click to bell icon. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to HMTMCSE.com. Now we are going to learn Flutter environment preparation and Android Studio installation. Basically, this tutorial objective is that we are going to start Flutter tutorial. That's why we have to prepare our environment before start Flutter. For that, we will follow this preparation guideline from HMTMCSE.com. Here, two things we need to do. First thing is Sdk installation. The other thing is IDE installation. Flutter Sdk installation has two ways. We can download the Flutter zip file or we can clone the Flutter Git repository. In this case, we will follow the Git clone way because Git clone way is very easy to upgrade and downgrade, or we can easily move our code base to early edition or our SDK to early edition. That's why we are going to choose the Git clone Flutter repository. Clone Flutter Git repository for SDK. There is a lots of SDK available for Flutter, that is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, etc. For Git clone, we need a Git bash. If you not installed yet Git bash in your system, so if you want, then you can follow this link. Here we show step-by-step tutorial how do you install Git bash. Okay, let me clone that SDK using Git bash. I'm copying this code from here and going to desktop. In my desktop, I created a directory called codes. Now clicking on right click there, clicking the Git bash here and paste the command. It means that it cloning the repository from flutter.git and the branch is stable. That means we are cloning the stable branch. It will take little bit time for cloning the whole project. We have to wait until complete the cloning project. Just now completed the clone process. It take 1 or 2 minutes. Now we are going to add that file to our environment. For that, we have to add the Flutter home, and we will add that Flutter home into our path directory. For that, I'm searching the environment variable here. Environment variable. In this section, there is a two environment variable. We selected the system environment variable because I got access there. Now I'm going to add that Flutter home. Clicking on Flutter home, new Flutter home, and what will be the location? Location is my codes in desktop. Then this will be the location of the Flutter home. Paste here. You can browse that directory from here also. Okay, click OK. Our variable is added. Now we have to add that variable in our path. Why path? Because when we want to access any of thing from CMD or bash, then we have to add that thing to path. That's why I'm adding path. I'm finding the path. This is path. Okay, click the new and going to paste that path, Flutter home /bin. Okay, okay, and okay. Now if everything is fine, then we can use those commands for Flutter. In our CMD, let's reopen it because the environment is used after the Git bash opened. Let me try it. flutter flutter -- version. Let's see what it showed. It downloading something. It sometimes downloaded some of important things Let's wait until the download complete. Now it's updating some pub files, so it will going to update soon. Just now it completed. Let's little bit bigger this screen so that we can see the version number. I'm going to up that arrow Flutter version, then it will showing the Flutter version is 222. Okay, next we will check the where is Dart, because Flutter by default comes with Dart. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it's installed in the directory of same directory of the Flutter and Dart. Let's see. This is the for check the environment status Flutter doctor. Let's run this. It will download some sort of information, then it will show the status of the current Flutter. It showed the status of the current system. It not finding the Android tool chain. It will find after Android Studio installation. Now we completed successfully the Flutter SDK installation. We will now install the Android Studio. For that, we have to follow this instruction. Download the Android Studio from the URL here. This will show us the Android Studio here. This is the Android Studio download link. If I click on this download Android Studio, it will ask us a agreement. I accept that agreement and clicking on download. It started the download process, but I am canceling this download because I already downloaded the Android Studio before. Now I'm double clicking on this Android Studio exe file. So we will follow these things. Hope it will start in installation. This is the Windows confirmation. We are going to allow this installation. The installation process is started. Clicking on next, then again next. Location of the Android Studio install, but we are not changing anything. Clicking on next. Yeah, start menu, name will be the Android Studio. It's okay, and press install. It extracted required file to that location. It will not take much time for installation. Let's wait until the progress bar is finished. Now the progress bar is completed. Going to click on next. It asks us to start Android Studio. Yes, I'm clicking on finish. This is just a completion of the Android Studio. Now we don't want to import anything. It started Android Studio. This is the basic installation of Android Studio. Now the Android Studio prepare for Android development, but for Flutter development we have to install Flutter plugin there. Otherwise it will not work. Install the Dart plugin. There are many plugin Dart. We can install them as required. Okay, then again we will search the Flutter plugin there. That means we have to install two plugins. One is Dart, another one is Flutter. Let's see how long it goes. I don't want to send anything. Next, standard. We will install type standard. Okay, we want to select the Darkula. Next, it will ask us for something download. We have to wait until those download process is complete. Let's see how long it will take. Wait until the download process is completed. It took lots of time. Now it's saying that unable to install Android emulator, hypervisor driver for AMD processor. For AMD emulator, we have to do something, a different thing. We will see that in later. Now I'm going to press on finish. See, now this is the Android Studio ready for code, but this is ready for Android coding, not for Flutter coding. For Flutter coding, we have to install Dart plugin and the Flutter plugin. For that, I'm going to click on config, then plugins. It will show the plugin list here. first thing first, I am searching the Dart. It will showing the Dart plugin. Clicking on install. It will take little bit time for installation. Let's wait until the installation complete. The Dart plugin successfully installed. Now we have to install the Flutter plugin. For that, I'm searching here flutter. It should be search the Flutter plugin from the marketplace. Let's wait little bit. The Flutter plugin is available here. Now I'm going to click on that install button. It asking us some of third-party acknowledgement. Yes, we accept. Now it started to install. Let's wait until the install complete. Just successfully installed the Flutter plugin. Now we have to restart our IDE for complete the process. Clicking on restart. Yes, I want to restart. Let's wait. The restart process will finish within a time. Starting the project. Okay, it started. Now if I click on the new project, then we are not seeing anything like Flutter, right? Okay, so what happened here? So in after the new project, you will see this is a menu for create new Flutter project. That means here now we are able to add the Flutter application. For Flutter application, we have to specify the SDK location. In next tutorial, we will see how to create a Bismillah project with IntelliJ IDE, Android Studio, Android Studio. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.